Your day can start positive and you're feeling happy, but then something might happen, an external trigger leaving you confused, overwhelmed, scared, anxious or worried, or even angry and frustrated. When this happens, pause for a moment and think, what can I do? What activities help you bounce back from a situation and build your resilience? But remember, however you're feeling, you don't have to do this by yourself. Think about your support network. Think of 5 people who could support you, like your parents, maybe other adults like a youth worker, a teacher, your friends, and even your pets. Things will get better. Just remember to be kind to yourself too.